It carries millions of passengers. Millions of tons of freight load. And is tirelessly served by nearly 2 million people. But that is not the only way to describe Indian Railways. It is also the strong thread which binds a large and diversified nation's economy and provides connectivity par excellence across our huge landmass. We at Dalit Ram Industries are proud to be a part of one of the world's largest rail networks. It gives us a sense of achievement that we have already made our best contributions to the lifeline of India for the last 40 years. Our journey began in 1973, when a young engineer aspired to take a leap into the world of entrepreneurship in somewhat uncertain economic conditions of the country in the year 1973 at Bhopal, the capital of central Indian state Madhya Pradesh. For many, it was really a very gutsy decision by a young man with lots of family responsibilities to quit a safe job of a major public sector unit like BHEL in those days. And set up his own industry. It really had a very few takers initially. By the year 1984, a more matured and seasoned entrepreneur that he was, Satish Nath Sharma, decided to take a plunge into the vast sea of opportunities presented by Indian Railways, who were on course to define their own charter of big expansion across the nation. And Dalit Ram Industries started taking on the big names of industry for key products used by locomotive manufacturing units of IR at Chittaranjan and Varanasi. But the biggest turnaround came in the 90s when DRI bid the global tenders for key import substitute of dynamic braking resistor for locomotives. It emerged a clear winner in a race where it was not being considered initially as a worthy participant against really big names. Today, with a product profile which comprises of more than 6 varieties of DBRs for diesel and electric locomotives and a host of other products. Dalit Ram Industry is synonymous with dynamic braking solutions in Indian Railways, with a fully backwardly integrated facilities spanning across more than 50,000 square feet, including manufacturing of various kinds of resistance products, insulator molding, special alloy aluminum casting, versatile motor manufacturing, and fabrication of various metals, DRI produces most reliable and trustworthy products for electric locos, including latest technology 3-phase locomotives, ALCO locomotives, and EMD locomotives. In the year 2004, DRI set up a state-of-the-art facility at Haridwar, a city known for the holy river Gangas, for manufacturing HVAC products for passenger coaches and drivers' cabins for locomotives. It is today a front-runner in this segment in Indian Railways.
Dalit Ram Industries is all set to take a leap into a fifth glorious decades. with lots of new ideas, and it's going to set up state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities. And we are also going to invest in setting up the high-tech design and development centers for being out the cost-effective solutions for the rail transportation industries.
The future growth plan entails a detailed emphasis on covering most of the critical products related to locomotives, passenger coaches, freight wagons, and rail cars. Adopting latest technologies, acquiring state-of-the-art machinery, and constructing around 1 lakh square feet of space, DRI is now poised to enter into latest technology manufacturing of bogies, traction motors, stainless steel passenger coaches, vacuum toilets for rail and surface transport, HVAC solutions for freight wagons, renewable energy for rail transport, and many more greenfield areas.
Daulat Ram Industries has carved a niche for itself in last 40 years with Indian Railways. Now we are looking to expand our horizons in the world market. We are going for a global expansion. We are going into the many greenfield technologies, many new product ranges, which will cater not only to the developed nations and the emerging markets, and it will also span across a varied customer range. We are also looking to target very specific greenfield area, and we have a very good, dynamic, young and a very rich, experienced team to back it up, and we hope that we will live up to the expectations of one and all.
A dedicated workforce of more than 400 people, 5 manufacturing bases, and clientele comprising of companies like Bombardier, Siemens, ABB, etc. Apart from Indian Railways, DRI has clearly charted its course towards becoming a top-notch global supplier for rolling stock components.
Daulat Ram Industry is a clear example of the fact that hard work and sincerity always pays off. Having started our journey with full diligence and complete dedications 40 years back, we have successfully reached a stage which could be called a great milestone of our journey. It is a matter of real pride and great honor for us that we have become the most preferred company with the Indian Railway, the lifeline of the nations. While taking this opportunity to thank our customers and clients across the nations, I sincerely assure that we will continue to keep up legacy forever.
New eras keep replacing the past and the present times. But one thing that has not changed and never will change with Daulat Ram Industries is the sincere dedication to serve society and the nation through their each and every activity. Daulat Ram Industries feels honored to make every kind of contribution towards plantation, free educational, and medical facilities for the needy. If God has endowed us with the capability of contributing towards the welfare of society, we must find maximum opportunities to gladly make most of it, is the firm belief and greatest ideal of Mr. Satish Nath Sharma.